everyone, my name is Catalina and I recently graduated from the Master Gardener program at UF. One of my biggest takeaways is that gardening is not just about plants, it's about building community. And when we reach out to our neighbors and we talk about our gardens, it just brings you together and you have another reason to expand your network and also expand the beauty of your neighborhood and sustainability, and just inspire others to bring beauty into their yards. So if you're looking into becoming a master gardener, I highly recommend it. I bet you're going to get a lot more than what you anticipated when you first registered for the class.